I wish there was a way for me to harness all the energy being used by these students while they run on treadmills.
The largest portion of USD's carbon emissions comes from electricity and natural gas, but our campus is already doing a lot to be more sustainable. For instance, with solar power and with SDG&E's renewable sources, 50% of our electricity as of 2017 was renewable. But there's still an extra 50% that we can do something about. We figured, what if there's a way we can make gym equipment more sustainable?
After researching the JCP, we found out that it was open approximately 82 hours a week. There's also 9 treadmills inside the JCP. So we assume that about 3 treadmills are being used at any one time. That would mean that there's approximately 250 hours for the students running on the treadmills that we could harness.
The process of bringing this design into fruition wouldn't actually be too difficult, as all the treadmills have already been purchased. The biggest issue would be reorganizing the gym to put the motors on top of the treadmills. That could be done with intelligent spacing and reorganizing the wires. Each motor would be about $50, the wiring would be about $200, and then any other miscellaneous tools needed would be about $150. The biggest issue would be getting around the wiring and the pre-existing equipment in the gym. That can be done by attaching batteries to each of the treadmills and then using those batteries to store the electricity and bring them to other parts of campus where needed.
So in order to understand the positive impact that this system would have on the environment, it is beneficial to look at the savings in a way that's easy to understand. For example, if one treadmill was outfitted with this system, we would have the potential to power a 10-watt LED light bulb for up to 12 hours. Now, given the amount of average use that the treadmills get in the gym and the amount of treadmills that there are, this has the potential to save USD up to $27 per year in electricity costs. Now, this may not seem like much, but if USD develops an incentives program for students to use the treadmills, we might find that the use of the treadmills goes up and then the savings will go up as well.